In this video, we show how to buy shares of Greenlight Capital Re Ltd, a reinsurance company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GLRE, and this presentation is educational and not financial advice. To buy GLRE shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GLRE to locate the company quickly. Make sure you select the listing that shows Greenlight Capital Re Ltd on NASDAQ to confirm it is the right stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and a recent price chart to check basic details. Confirm the page displays Greenlight Capital Re Ltd and the GLRE ticker before moving on. Click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your GLRE position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.